What's going down, baby? It's your boy Humberto, and I'm back with another cooking video. I'm back at it again, man. Tonight, I'm gonna be cooking shrimp Alfredo. That's right, man. You heard it correct. Without further ado, man, let's get into it. So the ingredients I have for tonight: heavy whipping cream, onion powder, parsley flakes, paprika, oil, salt and pepper, fettuccine, Parmesan cheese, shrimp, and garlic, baby. So right now I got the fettuccine in the water. I'm gonna let it get soft and I'm gonna let that bad boy get hot. Hey, what's going on, y'all? So while I have that cooking in the back, I gotta take off the tails off the shrimp. And after that, we're gonna season this bad boy. And we're gonna actually season it with the paprika and the salt and pepper. Hey man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy one time, man. I'm trying to give y'all a different variety of content, you know what I'm saying? Funko unboxing videos, cooking videos, landscaping videos and all that, man. Also, man, drop a comment, man. Let me know how your day's been going. Let me know if there's something new you want me to try cooking. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'll get to it. So right now, I'm adding in the shrimp. About to cook this bad boy. I already added my seasoning. I already chopped up my garlic clove. I'm trying not to toss. I'm trying not to just throw them in there. But you get the idea, man. So I got that going right now. I'm gonna let this bad boy cook. So, after your shrimp is done cooking, make sure you go ahead and take it out. Use the same pot that you cook the shrimp in. You know what I'm saying? Let that sizzle for a little bit. Since I don't like onions, I went ahead and got some onion powder. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Man, you should have used the real onions. I don't like onions. Gonna let that sizzle for a little bit. So I have my garlic, my onion powder. It's over here sizzling. Well, not sizzling, but I got it going. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my heavy whipped cream. Now, you don't want it to boil. You don't want it to boil. So, put it on low heat and let that cook for a little bit. So, I got my heavy cream, my cheese, butter, all that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta. So after you add the pasta, go ahead, mix it all up. After you mix it all up, make sure you get the whole coat. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it all. After that, that's when you go ahead, you add the shrimp. And that right there, my friend, is shrimp Alfredo. And that, my friend, is shrimp Alfredo. Man, it's really going down. And there you have it, shrimp Alfredo. This is actually my first time making this. This is gonna be a taste test. I already know it's gonna be good. What you think? If this is your first time on this channel, hit subscribe, hit that like, and drop a comment, man. I promise y'all, I will reply back to your comments. Let me know what you think I should make next. I might end up doing it. I don't know. I might end up giving you a shout out. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and hit this taste test right quick. Come have a seat with me, man. Come over, man. Grab you a plate, grab you a fork, and let's go ahead and watch a movie, man. Without further ado, man, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna end the video, and then I'm gonna finish my plate. I'm gonna grab something to drink, and I'm gonna call it a night. Y'all have a good night, man. Without further ado, peace. Bow.